spent 3 nights there, and then we moved on and we drove south down to Chattanooga West Lookout Mountain KOA, which is actually in Georgia, but it's south of Chattanooga, Tennessee. So what'd you think of that, Commander Cindy?
Really beautiful. Wooded, set back off the road, but not so much that you were out of everything. The bathrooms were newly renovated, and they were spectacular.
Oh yeah, they were literally bathrooms you have at your home.
Oh yeah. So. And it was just, the people were super nice, and the owners were. We met almost the entire family.
Family, right? Yeah, exactly.
Actually, the grandpa brought us homemade bread.
Yeah.
Because we were talking to him about baking bread.
Yeah, that was pretty funny too. Cause we're like, oh, their names were Frank and Bonnie, and it was like, oh, Frank and Bonnie, are you guys, what are you guys doing here? Oh, they said we're work campers, and we're like, oh, that's cool, like that. And then Bonnie goes, and Brian, who we'd already met, the owner, we're like, hey, Brian's our son, and you're not work campers, you're the patriarch and matriarch of the whole campground.
It's a Stouffer's factory.
There is a Stouffer's factory right here. Yes.
They make pot pies there.
Yeah.
Anyways.
I really hope we're still on Highway 29.
Me too.
So, but it was beautiful there. I did fly the drone there, so I think I have a shots of that.
They had a nice dog park. It was more of an agility course.
Yeah, they had a lot of props in there for the. So
they had a very nice pool. It was closed for the season.
Yep.
Oh, and the first time we've done laundry on a camping trip.
Yes.
And that was a really nice amenity to have.
Absolutely,
to be able to do laundry.
Yeah. And they upgraded us by putting us in a great spot where, it was just walking across, like almost for us, kind of walking to our bathrooms, right?
Yeah.
We were so close to the bathrooms.
We were, 30, 40 feet from the bathroom?
Yeah, or something like that. It really worked out. A nice shaded spot, wasn't paved, but it had nice gravel and all that kind of stuff.
Oh, and we could see the hang gliders from Lookout Mountain from our campsite.
getting towed from Lookout Mountain Airport. That was really cool too. So. And of course, then what we did there.
Rock City. I highly recommend it.
Yeah, you gotta see Rock City.
See Rock City.
So that was neat, and I'll put footage of Rock City so you can see Rock City.
But you really have to go there to experience it.
Oh yeah. I'm sorry, but if you're into any type of medieval stuff, fantasy stuff, Dungeons and Dragons, any of that kind, or fairies, or gnomes, or anything like that, or geology. Yeah, if you just like, it is an amazing place to go see, and it's just the history of it, with how the couple, right, that did it, decided to, this is what I want to do in my backyard.
Yeah.
Basically. Yeah. So that was cool. So.
The Lookout Mountain KOA was my favorite of the 4.
Right. Yep. Mine too.
Would definitely go back.
Yeah, because there's just so much to do there too.
Yes.
Yeah. Absolutely. I agree. And then so we spent 2 nights there, so we could go spend a whole day in see Rock City. And another shout out to Olivia and Nathan on World Travel and their YouTube channel. The reason being is because they just spent a whole year, and they did like a whole year recap video. And one of the things that they said that they would have kind of wished they did different was when they go places is to kind of pick like the big place to go to, or at least try to do less things. And our time at Chattanooga West Lookout Mountain and going to Rock City was great, because we thought about doing like Ruby Falls and all of that, but it was so nice to say, no, let's just go here, let's slow down, spend a great day there, and then go back to the campsite and hang out and all that.
Oh, and I also want to say Rock City's completely dog friendly.
It is completely dog friendly, yeah.
Even the cafe during the summer months has a dog menu that you can order off for your dogs.
Yeah, that was...
So we did see a lot of dogs there.
Yep.
In the dog?